So, ito siya. Hawak ko na. Oh! Dumating na pala yung silver play button natin. So ito siya, hawak ko na. Kinuha siya ni wife. Yan, dito na lang tayo. I-open na natin. Kumuha na rin ako ng scissor. Unang gagawin natin is tatanggalin natin yung scotch tape. Yan. Tapos, paano ba ito? Mayroon pa, may scotch tape pa pala dito. I-open siya dito. Open ko lang ulit ito. Yan. Pati yung ayan. So, i-open na natin. Ay! Wala pa. So, meron siyang ganito. Boom. Yan. And, syempre, merong letter. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by we. Ito siya. Yan. Of course, ito. My YouTube. Sabi, do you remember your first subscribers? Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube. Learn about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000 subscribers, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. Yeah, message from YouTube. And of course, a silver play button. Meron pa dito, wait. What's this? Recognizing your team, share. Another paper. Silver play button. Oh, naka-open na pala. Oh, look at that. Presented to Ren01 for passing 100,000 subscribers in YouTube. Look at that.